Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this CUPRA Formentor VZ2. Now of course this is the 1.4 litre eHybrid. You get full LED headlights, daytime running lights and cornering lights. You get front parking sensors. You then also get these brilliant 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one, just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Around to the rear now, we've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, which is just up at the top here. With this being the VZ2, you get the electric opening tailgate. As you can see, you've got your at-home charger and your Type 2 to Type 2 charger, which will allow you to charge at any supermarkets that have the ability to have an EV port there. You've then got 60/40 split folding seats, which you can fold down with either lever on either side there. And then to lower the tailgate, simply press the button at the top and it will start to drop down like so. Then around to the car, to the rear wheel here. In the back of the car we've got part cloth, part leather interior with your copper CUPRA stitching. You've then got ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom, full electric windows all around, keyless entry and start. Inside we've got your electric handbrake, auto hold, central locking. You've then got your DSG gearbox, engine start stop, and then we have your infotainment display in the middle. As you can see, we've got satellite navigation. We've then got your various media sources. We've got your various radio bands. And then we also have your full link, which enables Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Mirror Link. Over to the steering wheel now, you've got your cruise control settings to the left with your audio volume to the outside. Over on the right, you've got your track select, heated steering wheel and onboard computer controls. As you do get your 5 or 6 different views on the instrument cluster here, as you can see, just there. While we are here, you'll notice that this car has done 25,959 miles. We're coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this CUPRA Formentor, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool.